Oh, hello guys. Hello. How are you? Welcome back. It's a new week. Monday. That's Monday evening. So this week, as you can see, we have a few pairs we're currently watching. So this week we'll be looking at these pairs. Here are the opportunities we have. Euro NZD created a new high here, so chances are it's gonna come back here. We have a QML here, left shoulder ahead, fake out here, base. So Euro NZD, one of the pairs we'll be looking at. Euro AUD is another one. As you can see, it's approaching our entry area. This one here. So it's gonna come back here and it's gonna move it to the upside. As you can also see on this one, price has been creating a high. It's created a new high here. We have a QML here, so price will come back to this area and then push to the upside. So it's gonna wait for it to see what happens. However, we're still in last week's trades. Still holding this one, still having our stop loss or TP. Holding this one, still consolidating around here, and another one still holding USD CAD. With USD CAD, as you can see, still doing this. In the morning it was here, came back, now it looks like it wants to go to the upside. So yeah, basically those are the pairs we'll be looking at: Euro AUD, Euro NZD. So yeah, guys, we'll be waiting for this pairs and see what happens. But if we have any other new pairs to look at, I'll update you. Till the next update, guys. Peace out. Welcome back, guys. This is an update on our trades. Guys, we've been having a losing streak of late. Yo, it's been crazy. So the USD CAD still playing around this area, but I'm looking at it that it is going to retrace back into this area. So I think maybe it's gonna come back into this area and push to the upside again. Since this is the significant high, this is the significant low that created this new high, which this new higher high, this swing low broke this high over here and this one. So that's the strongest one. So if it breaks here, chances are it's gonna come back to this area down here. So I'm expecting it to either come here or continue pushing up. So either way, I'm good. So this is our initial take profit area. So however, our SL is at break even since price is here. So yeah, another pair. Let's just moving around this area. I'm doing much, just moving around. just moving around. With this one, I'm expecting it to come into this area because it engulfed this swing. It's a swing high. It's a swing high which created a new lower low. So when price engulfed this area and came back here, pushed, this one might not hold. So that's why maybe it looks like it's going to push the break. So yeah, that's what I'm expecting from that. And LP that we were monitoring, stop loss, straight stop loss, our stop loss was hit here. However, I saw something when price, as you can see, that price created a QML here. So when price came here and came into this area, it failed to break this area. This was a signal to us. However, our problem is that we entered this trade too late. If we had entered this trade around this area, we wouldn't have had the problem that we had of not moving our stop loss to break even. So that was our issue here. However, price came here, pushed to the upside, failed to create a high, and then came back. When it broke this area, that was a signal to us that price is in a bearish trend. It's in a bearish trend. Chances are it's gonna engulf this area. It even engulfed it, so they even engulfed this area. So we were supposed to close this trade when price engulfed here. When price engulfed this area over here, we're supposed to close. That was our mistake. When price failed to hold here, and then we're taken out. If we had entered at the exact area we had planned to enter, which was that one, and maybe our stop loss was here, you see, we'd have had a 1:3, clean 1:3, clean 1:3. We would have even placed our TP here to be on the safe side. You see, price would have just easily went in our direction. But that's a lesson for another day, guys. That's a lesson for another day. That's trading, improve. So here's another one here. Euro NZD. With Euro NZD, price came back into our entry, but looks like it's failing to push to the upside. However, it moved our stop loss to break even. So yeah, we'll see what happens. With the Euro CAD, same problem, yeah. When price took us out on our stop loss, when price failed to hold this area, as you can see, this was a swing low that engulfed this high and created a new high. Because we have a QML here, as you can see, we have a QML. So when price failed to hold this area, that area over there, that area, and came back to the downside, we're supposed to close our buy limits here when price reacted in this area, because now we have a new swing low. You understand? So when price engulfs this area, sort of that phase, so when price engulf that high and created a new high, we're supposed to close our buy limit because our entry was now invalid. Our next entry was here, this area where price reacted and failed to continue pushing up and broke. This was a valid setup over here. This one had become invalid. So that was our issue. with this pair, all of the mistakes we make this week. So hopefully we will improve on these mistakes next week. So currently we are still on this trade. We will see what happens or not. Yeah, currently on the trade. So yeah, I will update you guys on what's going to happen and what happens on this trade, whether it hits our take profit or it goes back to break even. I'll leave you with updates, and also Euro NZD. Yeah, and also I was feeling it. So yeah, guys, it's Thursday, and tomorrow is our last day in the trading week. So yeah, till the next updates, maybe tomorrow. Hello guys, we are back again with another update. It's Friday evening. As you can see, gold came here, and gold is looking like it's going to push up since it's at this QML. But let's check our pairs that we're running. My network is a bit slow, but I'm sure you can see that trade on USD CAD hit my take profit. It triggered my take profit right here with 2.3 up. I was able to collect the 2.3 up on this trade. So another trade that we were going to Euro NZD. Euro NZD and network is trash. But as you can see, that price hit our take profit. Our take profit was smashed. As you can see, guys, we collected a 2.47 up on this one. So we had an average, almost amazing, an average week. So yeah, and while we're still at it, we were able to enter on this trade. We saw a setup here, QML, left shoulder head, price came back into our entry. So we're looking to hold this one, currently this one, and also this one. As you can see, also left shoulder head, price came back here, pushing to the upside. Now looks like it wants to push to the upside. So currently in these two pairs, NZD USD, AUD USD, and we have a pending order on this one, USD CHF, a sell, left shoulder, base head. As you can see, price is pushing to the upside, so we're waiting for it here. Chances are one would ask themselves, why is our zone this big? But let me show you why. It's because of this daily supply zone, which is a bearish engulf zone. As you can see, left shoulder ahead, break of structure over here, break of structure. So price might reverse here. So like I always say, guys, my entries are usually a bit further, few pips away from my zone, so that I account for spreads
So I cancel spread, so I'm able to get triggered. But sometimes price just touches here, and because of spread, you won't get triggered. So yeah, one would ask themselves, why did I take the sell when price was held by this? So it's because, as you can see, that this is the bullish leg. Price is making a high, low, high, a low, a high. When we tried creating a new high, it failed. This zone is invalid. So when we took out this zone over here, it was a signal to us that now price is in a bearish trend. Exactly. Came back here, held, created a new low, broke this low and created a new low. So price might push again to the downside since it's now in a bearish move. It is confirmed to us that now it's in a bearish movement. This is what we call a QMC, QM continuation. So yeah, that's why we're waiting for it to hit the zone. So till the next update.